Hey guys, I'm here taking a look at these new Milwaukee picks that they recently released. These are kind of longer overall than most of the picks that I have around. These are right at 3 inches long, each of these. The little orange Pittsburghs are even smaller, right at 3.5 inches. And these are close to 3 7/8, all four of them. So good long reach with these. If you're needing to get through into some tight spaces and catch on to something, pry something out, these would be real good options. You got a decent, just kind of pick, scratch all almost, straight pick there. The handles are a rubber overmold on top of a composite base, two flats. I don't love that because it kind of forces you into a direction. Um, I mean, how hard are we actually gripping on these things? But I kind of feel like it forces you to you point down or point up with the hook. Same with the 90 degree, and the complex pick kind of ends up being down and to the left or up and to the right. So they're pretty comfortable overall. I do like the knurling here. They remind me of the PB Swiss picks, which I don't have mine right here in front of me, but yeah, they're solid. They're not. Sorry, bumping the camera. They don't have too much give in them. This is the Icon. I'd say they're about the same thickness as the Icon. We can grab that. Looks like we're right at 1/8 of an inch on these guys, whereas the snap-on is a little bit thicker, probably, 100th, 200ths of an inch thicker. So not too much difference. But yeah, I think this is a nice offering from Milwaukee. I'm glad that they've entered the fray there. Hopefully they can keep iterating on the handle shapes, get something that's a little more comfortable. I know the tri-lobe design with both Icon and Snap-on and lots of other makers might be a little played out, but it does work very well and gives you just a little bit more of an option in terms of how you comfortably hold it in your hand. So, well, there you go. Just look at these Milwaukee picks, new from Milwaukee, and I think they're a great competitor to what's currently out there with an added benefit of being just a little bit longer without being ridiculous. So there you go.